Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are all good. So in today's lecture we are going to read the poem Abu Ben Adhem, which is written by James Henry Hunt. So let's get started. So this is the poem by James Henry Hunt. Its title is Abu Ben Adhem. We will do the translation of this poem. In this lecture we will do the translation, and in coming lecture we will learn about the central idea and summary of this poem. So the first line says, Abu Ben Adhem, may his tribe increase. It means Abu Ben Adhem, his tribe means his people, his community, increase in number, increase in happiness. Awoke one night, it means he awoke one night from his sleep, from a deep dream of peace. From a deep dream of peace means from a deep slumber or from a deep sleep. So he awoke one night from a deep sleep and saw within the moonlight of his room. And he saw within the moonlight of his room means in the presence of moonlight. Through the moonlight he saw, making it rich means the moonlight was making it quite rich, making it quite visible. Whatever he saw, it was making quite visible, and like a lily in bloom. And it was like a flower, lily is kind of a flower. An angel writing in a book of gold. So he saw an angel in his room who was writing in a book of gold. So there was an angel. He saw an angel with the light of moon, and he was writing in a book of gold. Exceeding peace means more peace, more calmness, has made Ben Adhem bold. So exceeding peace means more calmness and more peace had made Ben Adhem bold, brave. And to the presence in the room he said, and to the presence means to the angel who was present in that room, Abu Ben Adhem said, what writest thou? What writest thou? So he is questioning the angel that what he is writing, what he was writing at that moment. So Abu Ben Adhem has questioned that vision, that angel, that what are you writing? And then comes the response of that angel. The vision raised its head. The vision has been used for that angel. Vision and angel are same. And with a look made of all sweet accord. So when angel agreed, accord means agreement. By look he agreed, answered the names of those who love the Lord. So the angel replied that I am writing the names of those people who love the Lord, who love the God. So he was simply making a list of the people who truly love God, who truly worship and love their Lord. And then, and his mind one, said Abou. And then Abu Ben Adhem questioned that if his name is included in that list. Nay, not so. So angel replied, no, your name is not included in this list. Replied the angel means the angel replied that your name is not included in the list of those who love God. Abu spoke more low. So he was disappeared and he was dejected, and he spoke more low, in more low tone, more low voice, but cheerily still, and said, but cheerily, with happily, he was still straight, and he said, I pray thee then, he said, I pray thee then, write me as one that loves his fellow man. Now he is requesting to angel, that write my name in the list of those who love his fellow man. Fellow man means the humans, the human beings of this world, the creation of God. So he is asking his angel to write his name in the list of those who love the fellow men, who love the fellow men of God, fellow men of Lord. The angel wrote and vanished. So the angel wrote his name and he went. The next night it came again. So the next night the angel came back. He came again with a great wakening light, means with a great light, with a great, the rays of light, and showed the names. And he is once again, he has showed the names to Abu Ben Adhem, whom love of God had blessed. Now he is showing the names of those people who have been blessed by God. So the angel has brought the list of those people who has been blessed, who has been loved, and who has been valued, who has been who have been valued by God, who have been loved by God. And lo, Ben Adhem's name led all the rest. So this line says that Abu Ben Adhem's name was on the top of that list, the list which includes the names of those people who were loved by God, and Abu Ben Adhem's name was on the top of that list. So it means, so Abu Ben Adhem's name in the list of those who loved their fellow men, and in return God loved back. In return God loved those people who loved his fellow men, and Abu Ben Adhem's name tops the. So his name is on the top of the list. So that's all for now. Thank you very much, and take a good care of yourself.